Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Well, as I continue getting these seed kits and building and reviewing them for you, or well, at least showing them to you, I really appreciate each and every one of you that is subscribed and watches my videos. You mean the world to me. But I'd really like to get some more subscribers. We're getting close to the 200 mark, so that's pretty cool. And hey, I guess some people like my content. Not 100% sure. But I do this without a script or anything like that, and it's just my hobby I want to share with everybody. So, but I just got the Cosmic Air High Grade 1/144th Mighty Strike Freedom Gundam from the, Seed Freedom movie again. So I figured I'd do a little bit of an unboxing and we go over that here, and then I'll build it up for you guys. So the art on the front's really nice. He has a katana now and the Proud Defender system for the wings, so that's pretty neat. Looks cool. I hope it is a cool kit. The Rising Freedom was a really good kit, and so was the Immortal Justice. So actually all the Seed Freedom line kits so far have been really fun and really great builds. So here we are on the side of the box, and just showing some of the gimmicks. The head, the neck goes up and down, and you have some body movement there, and there it is with all of its weapons. The guns are together into the long rifle, and he's got the katana. And a little bit over here too, it shows there's the second V-fin piece with the open. It says disruptor can be deployed with swappable parts, so that means that the V-fin is separate and has an open one too. You probably have to paint most of it in there though. It's probably molded in one color. Anyways, and the katana, and it shows there's a gimmick in the legs that let it like move differently. Waist utilizes a movable frame, allowing you to pose Mighty Strike Freedom Gundam just like it appeared in the series, it says. So I guess that's what that there is. Anyways, so on the side of the box we just have some more of the art. It's really nice. And over here we have a painted version right here, and just shows you, talks a little bit about the movie. If you want to pause that, you can read that there. I think there you go. I got to do something about this, my overhead light, when I'm filming straight down like this, because it's starting to really get a glare on things. So anyways, in the other side of the box, and now we have the back. Bandai Namco, nothing big. Alright, we'll go ahead and open it up, and let's see what we have inside. Alright, so right off the bat, small sticker sheet compared to a lot of the other kits. This is the sticker sheet for the Gion Storm, and it is huge. Now I only used 2 of the stickers off of there. I painted the rest. You'll see that in another video though. I think the one before this. So anyways, it looks like the sword's in there, sticker sheet. We got some gold, some gray. Go on to, let's see what's in this one here. There's the beam shield. Looks like the eyes and the camera. Some white parts. Looks like body parts. Here's the. Looks like this is the Proud Defender kit. Part of it. Got the wings. These have a gimmick where right in here on this here is going to go these pink stickers that are down here. I'll show those to you here in a minute. And then there's a piece here on the wing that actually opens up so you can see those. And let's see here. And of course we have these here. Now these here aren't normal foil stickers. These here are like the plastic kind. So that's pretty neat. Looks like we have the A-Runner in this bag. Some Beam Saber effect parts. And more parts for the frame and the Proud Defender. And here is the manual. It's got that nice artwork on it. And we're going to go down. It talks about Kira Yamato and the Mighty Strike Freedom Gundam. There's that if you want to pause it and get my thumb out of the way. You guys can read it if you want. And let's see. Looks like on the back, got nice painted versions on the back. Tells you more, all the same stuff it told you on the side of the box here. Seat action system. We gotta open it up. And we have our parts list. And it looks like a pretty straightforward. You start with the head, body, arms, waist, legs. Looks like then you go into the Proud Defender. Just a few parts actually, it's not that many. And how to do everything, and the weapons, and oh, we have a color page on the back too. That's interesting. Shows you how to swap the shield out on the forearm, and that V-fin, how to swap that out. Shows you how to open up the wings. So everything looks good. And down here we have our color chart. If you are interested in that, I'll try and hold it still there for a few. Alright, so let's see here. Let's get into this and open this up. I've been waiting for this kit to come out. I really would like a master grade of this kit, but it doesn't seem like we're getting any master grades from the new Seed movie. So here's those stickers. They're like a plastic. If you built some of the Witch from Mercury kits, they had some of these had those. Some of those had that type of sticker. I can't talk. Anyways, and we have our beam saber effect parts. And like I said, here's the A runner. And yeah, see, I don't know if you can, that focuses there, but this is the open version of the V-fin, and there's the closed version, so you will have to paint all of that. That's unfortunate, but not horrible, I guess. It's expected. It's a high grade. Proud Defender, you get 2 open hands, 1 for each side also. That's pretty cool. Open expressive hands are always a fun thing. You can get some really good poses with it though. These are the Proud Defender parts. This open, set that over there. And we have 2 of the, well, let's see, they're just a little bit different. The middle part section on each one, the F1 and the F2, they're different parts. It looks like everything else is pretty much the same runner. So there are those. Trying to keep this all in focus as best I can. I know I have a problem with focusing, and I have a small area to work with, and sometimes I don't realize when I'm filming that I have held something a little bit up off the camera, and I apologize. I'm trying to get better at this. Alright, here's that. Ooh, that's nice. It's got that sheen to it. I don't know if you guys can see that. You kind of see it there. See there? Alright, so there's the shield and the eyes. Looks like we have the head parts here on the B1 runner and shoulders, and it looks like parts for the arms maybe. And this is the waist and the legs, it looks like. This is the B2. And this is our last bag of runners for this kit. If I can get it open. Alright, there's that beautiful katana blade. It's all black. It's kind of neat though. Bring it up here, maybe you can see. It's kind of a matte finish on the back and a shiny gloss finish on the blade. It's pretty neat. Here's that little sticker sheet. Looks like just a few, maybe for the guns, the eyes. They give you a sticker you're supposed to put on that V-fin, but that would look horrible. They never stay, you know. If it's a wrap sticker, and that there, it looks like it's got a wrap around. So, Anyways, yeah, it looks like just some cameras, some very minute color correcting stickers. These are for the rail guns on the side and the chest and vents and the neck, it looks like here. So let me turn that around so you guys can see that. That is the E1 runner, and then we have this injected gold again. I'll probably do the same thing I did with this as I did on the Black Knight one and spray a pearl gold over top of this, so it brings out the gold and doesn't look so plasticky. It's not bad though. It's really not a bad gold. They are getting better with the gold at Bandai. So, and that's what's in the box. So, all right, throw this away here, and give me a little bit here, and I'll build this up, and I'll be back with it. I highly recommend this kit. I did pick this one up from Kaiju Cat Hobbies or Gundam Shoppers Network. They were the first to have them available in the US that I know of, and the price was pretty reasonable. It was under $30, I believe. Anyways, they were having a sale, so went ahead and picked this guy up from them. You can get yours there, I guess, too, or wherever you can find it at. It is an amazing kit. I really recommend this kit to everybody. Alright, get back to showing this kit off a little bit. It does come with 2 open hands, 2 closed hands, 2 beam saber effect parts, the beam shield effect part, and the katana, and 2 guns that combine together, as you saw. I do believe this may be my favorite version of the Strike Freedom so far, next to the original. The MGEX was an amazing kit too, and I really enjoyed building that one up and painting that. It took me about 5 months to get it painted the way I wanted it. I do have water slide decals coming for this, but they're coming from China, so you guys might see it in a later video or might not. Not real sure, but either way, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. I'm getting close to 200 subs. It would be nice to get as many as possible. This isn't, like I said, this isn't my job. This is just my hobby, so I'm not really trying to get paid from YouTube, but a little bit of extra money to buy some supplies and kits would be nice. So if I could get enough subs, and someday maybe that'll happen. I did use the Gundam marker a little bit, the chrome one, for some vents, and the end of the katana there. I did use Tamiya panel line accent color, dark gray, and black on this kit both. And then I also sprayed the gold with the Gaia Note Gold Pearl, like I did with the Black Knight, so that gold pops. And here we go. The Mighty Strike Freedom is all built up. Looks really cool. Has that really cool katana. Also has the double-bladed beam saber with it. It's highly posable. You got all the normal normal movements, the head, the wrists even, like have 2 points of movement. It's a really nice kit, and I really enjoyed building it up. I really enjoying sharing these kits with you guys. So how about if you like my content, you hit that subscribe button and make sure you like this video. And I will see you soon in the next video with the RG Impulse Spec 2 Gundam from the Gundam Seed line. Alright, thank you for watching, everybody. See you next time.